Hello friends, today I am going to discuss how to make one WordPress page static in home page. Actually, in WordPress there are several posts displayed at the home page, but if we want to display one static page on WordPress website home page, there are some tricks. To do so, we have to go to the backend of the WordPress website. I am going to my WordPress backend site. To make one page static, you have to make your own pages to make that static. I have already prepared some pages on my WordPress website. Here are some pages you see. To make one WordPress page static, just you have to click on the setting portion and the reading portion. After that, you have to go to the section your page display, home page display. You have to click on a static page. After that, you have to select one pages that you want to make static. I am going to select about pages, and here you can select any pages that you want, no matter. After that, you have to go to the save option. Before going to the save option, I am going to present you what is the present situation of my website. Here is the side, and there are several post-its. You see, you want to remove these post-its from the home pages and want to display the about pages on my home page. For that reason, I have made these settings and now going to save these changes. After saving, let's see what will be displayed on my home page. Actually, you can see that all the posted from here will be removed. Sorry, net is very slow. Here you see that the home page of the site is changed, and about section is displaying in the home page. Actually, there are another way to do the same things. Actually, before doing that, we will undo the setting that we have made here. After undoing, let's see what happened in the home page. Again, here are the posts at the home pages. Okay, let's go to the second tips. Click on the appearance, then customization. After clicking the customization, you have to click on the home page setting, a static page, and all the same works that I have done previously. Select about pages and select any page that you want. After that, click on the publish. After publishing, go to the setting, go to the home page of the website. Let's see what happened. Same things happened actually. Here is the about section at home page. Actually, this is all about make one WordPress web page static at home page. I think this tutorial helps you very much. Thank you very much.